Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to connect n8n to Google Drive, and this is going to be pretty easy. So let's just begin. Now first of all, on your right side you can see basically first we have this node. We're going to be clicking on this, but you can see we have this option of action in an app. We're going to be heading over to this, and in the search bar we need to search for Google Drive. Once we search there for it, we need to simply head over to that particular application, and it is going to be allowing us to upload a file, download a file, delete a file. As you can see, all of these different actions are available. So we have file actions, we have other actions as well. So let's just say I want to download a file, right? I'm going to be clicking onto this option and then selecting the credential to connect with. Then we have resources to select from, like for example various different options are available. And finally we have operations, like for example download, delete, and then finally we can select a file. So that is it, and that is how you can connect your Google Drive. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.